How to add columns in Notion. Today I'm going to show you how you can add columns in Notion by two ways. And the first one is really simple. So let's say you have days of the week like me, like this, from Monday to Sunday, and you want to make it into the columns. So the first way what we can do is I'm gonna click on this or hover my mouse on a Tuesday, and I'm gonna click on those six dots next to it, and I'm gonna drag it next to the Monday till I see this blue vertical line. All right, then we can place it like this, and it's going to create two columns, Monday and Tuesday. And now we can do the same with the other days as well. So like this. And now if you want to adjust the width of the columns, we can simply click on this double-headed arrow next to the last column, right? And we can drag it like to the side. And this is going to make our columns like readable, right? And now what you can do, you can, let's say, add to-do list to or each day. So let's say I'm gonna start with the Monday. I'm gonna click on this plus icon and just type to do and then select the to-do list, and this is going to add to the list, and you can add your tasks. So let's say I have to clean house, so I'm gonna add it like this, and then you can check it. All right, you can also add it like not clicking on this plus icon, but I'm gonna just simply type slash, and then we can simply type to-do list, right? And you can do this for all other days. Now the second way how you can add columns is by typing slash and then simply type columns. All right, and then you can choose, let's say, if you want to add two columns, three, four, five. So let's say I will choose four columns, and now you can see this is the first one. Now if I click a little bit over here, this is the second one, third one, and fourth one. So those are two ways how you can add columns in Notion. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.